Alright, this is my DK Command bike check. I got Aaron Ross signature grips, perfect 10 bars, Sims brake lever with Cush and animal cable. I got DK forks, a blue salt rim, honestly twisted PC pedals with DK cranks, and an alienation seat pivotal with Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain and Shadow Conspiracy C-clamp with Verd, with the blue Verd back rim cassette hub with We the People following front and rear tires. And I have these really nice brake calipers. They cost nothing, but I got them for free. And I have a DK sprocket that's bent, freaking sucks. I have a Fit stem, Fit Inman 1 stem, and that's my bike check.